This is how to increase font size in Gamma AI. From your presentation, select a text you want to increase the font size. So for instance, this title. So just select all or highlight all and go to heading, then select normal or large. So we will increase the size, or you can also go to title or display or monster for bigger font size. For instance, this one. Or you can just choose large text or maybe the title. You can also go to theme, then select a theme. For instance, this one to change your global font. So this is how to increase font size in Gamma AI.